Okay, EDC update. What's new? I got the Magpul wallet. Pretty simple wallet. ID, cards, money, things like that. New Charlie changer. Red. Keys. I have switched from KeyBar or KeySmart to KeyBar. This is the new KeyBar Junior. Holds all the keys I need. Car key. And then my new carabiner. So I can hang my coat, my shirt, jacket, whatever, when I'm at a place and I need to hang something up, and that's what it's good for. I haven't had to use it yet, but you know. Fox EDC, EDC pouch. I got the McCoy knife, the trapper, and then I've got the Spaceman telescoping pin. And then last is my lighter, but the new thing is the Zippo torch insert. This one's called Wrenching Headache. It's got Swarovski crystals, I believe, for eyes. It's an 08 model. That's what I like. That's new. I've had the lighter, but the insert's new. So that's my EDC update. Hope everybody enjoyed that short video. See you next time.